Hi, my name is Vru and I'm the founder of Dose. Once every 8 minutes, someone dies of drug overdose. The problem we're going to attempt to solve is trying to prevent overdoses, whether it be accidental or intentional, in patients with dementia and patients who've just undergone surgery and have been sent home with opioids to help relieve pain, to help them essentially prevent them from becoming addicted to it. Some people that this device may, or some customers that might use this device is patients or families with Alzheimer's, who might use it as a pill management system to make sure they're taking their medications. And also hospitals might provide this to their patients after surgery to prevent them from getting addicted to medication. So how does Dose work? So Dose is an IoT device. It means it uses the internet and also has a weight assurance system and a dispensing system. The weight assurance system is essentially a scale or a weight sensor that determines how many pills are in the device or in the medication box. And if there's too little in it, based on the time period, it'll send a notification that more than the desired medication has been taken. And if there's too much, then it'll also send that the medication may have not been taken. And then follow-ups can be sent there. It uses a dispensing system also that can dispense a pill onto a platform, and that platform also has another weight sensor on it, and it'll detect when the pill's been taken from the platform, meaning the pill has been taken. Okay, so this is what the weight assurance part of the device looks like. So we have over here is our Arduino. This is an ESP8266. It also has a Wi-Fi chip inside of it, so it can connect to Wi-Fi. This right here is the actual weight sensor and load cell, which is connected. This is actually the load cell. This is the weight sensor. This is where the pills will go on. This is actually 3D printed. And this is just our power supply over here. So when we were to put like something on it, let's say there's a battery, just because low scale. Well, there we go. Then it'll detect that the weight has gone up, as I'll show in the app now. Okay, so really quickly, this is the stepper motor. This is the stepper motor controller, and this is the Arduino. There's two Arduinos that control it. One for the weight assurance system, one for the stepper motor. There you go. You can see it spin around there. So every 10 seconds, just the prescription length I've set it to, it'll spin around. This can be adjusted to make it 24 hours, and every one spin, it will drop one pill. This is just a unique value proposition. I haven't found anything too similar to it, but actually similar to it at all. There's nothing that I've seen that uses the internet or connects to the internet to send notifications or has a weight assurance system on it. But I have seen one that has a dispensing system.